Welcome in, guys. Welcome, welcome. What's going on? What's good? What's good? Just hanging out. Just hanging out. Had to do we did the members only live stream earlier today, guys. So we had that going on. So Sundays are our first public stream is usually a little bit later than normal, but we're here. We're here. We got some stuff going on. Got some exciting videos. Got some exciting content coming out for you guys. Tonight, I have another Ondo video coming out this evening. I have a ICP price prediction video scheduled for launch tomorrow morning. So I got some exciting content coming out for you guys. Definitely. I'm working on some things, guys. Working on some things, spicing it up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Give you guys a chance to come into the market or into the chat, see what's going on here. Liquidity market's looking lively already. We're for sure bouncing back. Probably gonna get a rally later tonight or tomorrow. I agree 100%. It's looking good right now. We're gonna get into it. We're gonna have a look. It's looking good, man. It's looking good. Nice recovery day so far, guys. It is make no mistake about it. It is a nice recovery day right now. We are going to get into it. What do we got? Haas, what's up, buddy? Let's go. Let's go. Michael, welcome to the Gem Hunters. Welcome to the member side, my friend. After the stream, make sure you go watch the members only live stream. We did the members only live stream earlier today. I dropped 2 more low cap gems in the live stream, so go check those out, man. I'm really excited about the second one. We talked about it. You'll see what I mean when you watch the members only live stream. Very exciting. Definitely check that out. Thank you for supporting the channel, guys. If you want to become a member like Michael, click the link in the pinned comments or in the comments down below, or click the join button and become a member of the channel. Get members only content, guys. Get that exclusive content. Other coins having a pump, but not JASMY. Then again, JASMY didn't drop as much either. Yes, very, very true. Sun is hot. What's up, man? Good to see you. Crypto Holmes, what's up, man? What's up, Holmes? Steven, good afternoon. Good afternoon. What's up, Raj? What's going on? Kevin, hey, you group of winners. Absolutely, man. All we do is win. Pluto, hey, Rob, you think JASMY will go lower? I want a DCA. That's a tough call, man. I honestly... There's a lot of, listen, guys, there is a lot of potential for Monday and Tuesday for a lot of green. There's potential, okay? Look at the market right now. It's already recovering. Had you purchased yesterday, when I was on here telling you guys yesterday, dollar cost average, buy this stuff, you would be up big. If you got Swift yesterday, you'd be up 13.5% right now. Miria, 18.8%, guys, right? JASMY's only down 2% right now. It's recovering nicely as well, considering it was down like 20% or something like that. Look at all the green, guys. Look at all this recovery. If you dollar cost average yesterday, you would be up big right now, right? Very, very big. You love to see that, man. H. Barbarina in his house. What's up, Latif? Latif, new subscriber, great content. All in on JASMY ICP, nice. I have an ICP price prediction video scheduled to be uploaded tomorrow morning. So if you love ICP, you're going to love that video. You think Iran threatens attacks in Israel will affect crypto? I think it already did. But from what I understand right now, I've been kind of loosely following it. And from what I understand, they're now looking at peace talks in the Middle East. So could be bullish, could be bullish. Peace talks tomorrow, combined with Hong Kong launching their spot Bitcoin and spot Ethereum ETFs, guys. Keep that in mind too, right? Boomer effing Shooter, what's up, brother? What's up, man? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Cat Shields, hey, folks, JASMY interesting. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Tim, happy Sunday, fun day. Absolutely. Domi, hey guys, Domi Dip, what's up, man? Good to see you guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure you're smashing that subscribe button. It's awesome to have you here. Welcome aboard. Welcome to the family. We love seeing the new faces, guys. We absolutely love it. Nicholas, what's up, man? Good to see you. Maltasanti in his house. What's going on? I think we got the worst of the out of the well, that's it, right? So the worst has already happened for sure. Also, guys, if you're interested in Ondo, I have another Ondo video coming out tonight as well. So what's up, Rob? Got some great info for you. Da Vinci Jeremy has taken notice of JASMY. Has he? I'm gonna have to check it out, man. I'm gonna have to check it. Armed to Fight You. I also looked for that information you sent me. I thought I got it, but I didn't get anything from you, man. Gone Son. Yo, my man, what's up? Play us a song on the piano. Yeah, if I had a piano. Those things are expensive, man. Maybe after the bull run, I'll buy one. Haas, Rob, stupid question. Why is Grayscale selling their Bitcoin? Because, my friend, it's not Grayscale's choice, right? It's the choice of their customers. So the reason their customers are selling their Bitcoin shares is because the fees on Grayscale are ridiculously high that they have to pay. So what they're doing is they're selling their Grayscale shares and they're switching over to companies like BlackRock, Fidelity, and ARK Invest. So it's not really up to Grayscale whether they sell or not. They're being forced to by their customers because their fees are obesely high. So that is why that's happening, Haas. So basically, if you're a customer and you have big money, we're talking millions of dollars, right? In these shares for Bitcoin, do you want to pay like 1.5% to 2%, or do you want to pay like 0.7% or 0.5%, right? That's why, because that's a lot of money, right? Nikik, hello. Should I invest all in one project, or should I split it a few projects? And if I should, then how many? Well, I mean, listen, it really depends on your budget, how much you have to invest. I personally would never suggest going all in on one project, regardless of what the project is. I always use Terra Luna as an example. A lot of people were all in on Luna, and that was it. And they lost their entire portfolios, guys. For me personally, I had a significant bag of Luna, but I was spread across about 10 other projects as well. I was very well diversified. So when Luna crashed and I lost all that money on Luna, my portfolio bounced back in a couple of weeks from profits from the other 10 holdings that I had. So it didn't really affect me on the grand scale. That's why diversification matters. If you're all in on one project, regardless of what it is, and that project goes under, your entire portfolio is scorched earth, gone forever, zero, right? And I never would recommend doing that. So I would pick, if you got a smaller budget, I mean, maybe just 3, right? Maybe just 3 projects and spread yourself across them. Make sure they're good, solid projects with good utility, good team behind them and everything like that, right? Make sure you're doing your research, and, that's how I do it. But for me personally, I'd say minimum of 5 on a moderate budget. But if it's just a small budget, again, you can't spread yourself too thin financially either, right? So, Maltasanti, where did you see that armed? Richard Rich, what's up, buddy? Good to see you again, my friend. Crypto Holmes, would you be willing to make an estimate on how much money will flow into these Hong Kong ETFs for BTC ETH after looking at how much money poured in? I'm honestly on the Bitcoin ones, I'm targeting somewhere around like 25 billion, honestly, to begin with here in the first couple of months. Somewhere around $25 billion, I think, is going to dump into the Bitcoin ETFs. As for Ethereum, I have no idea yet, but I'm targeting somewhere around that $25 to $30 billion mark for just to get started for the first, say, 2 months out in Hong Kong, maybe 3 months, and we'll just kind of see what happens from there, right? I was in the lobby. Some guys were in there. Okay, thank you. No problem, Haas. I got your back, brother. You know that. ISO Jetpack, what's good, man? What is good? What? Why Marcet is green? Altcoins are same price. I don't really understand why all coins are green now. Price are different change. I was watching the market last 3 days. Crazy. The market is is green because they're not the same price, right? So at this time, I'm on the daily chart right now. So at this time, 24 hours ago, let's take Miria. At this time, 24 hours ago, Miria was 22.8% lower than it is right now. Exactly 24 hours ago from this moment, right? So they're not the same. They're not the same at all. It's just gradually increased over the last 24 hours, so it may feel like it's the same, but it's not, right? Miria, for example, went all the way down to 20567, and now it's all the way back up to it went all the way back up to 2073, but right now it's up at 2069, which is 22.9% up on the day. So that's why it's important when you see these dips, when you see that red in the street, to buy. Because look, everyone who bought yesterday, if you bought Miria yesterday at the bottom, it's up. You'd be up 22, almost 23% on the 24-hour. Fantastic. Fantastic. Do it. Buy it now. What are you waiting for? Good times, guys. Good times. Yeah, we got some good stuff, guys. I'm excited today. I'm in a good mood. I'm feeling good today, guys. ISO Jetpack, also different platforms show different prices. Yes, exactly. That is true as well. I definitely had to back the truck up on Quant. Yes, Quant made it to like $88 or something, eh? I wish I had picked some of that up yesterday, but I didn't. I was working on some other projects. Picked up more Swift. Nice, Nicholas. Nice. Up bigly then. Up very, very bigly. I love to see it, guys. I absolutely do. Market's looking good, guys. So let's get into some of the news, shall we? Let's get into some of the news. All right. Let's have a look around the market here. So check it out. We're looking at the altcoin season here, guys. When is it coming? I keep getting asked, when is altcoin season? When are we going to see the alts run parabolically here? When are they going to catch up to Bitcoin's price action? Well, let's have a look. With all the panic that has happened over the last few days, altcoins are still sitting in a falling wedge that has been in place for 3 years, which is basically the extent of the bottom of the bear, or roughly the bottom of the bear market to where we are now, right? So if you look closely, it was very similar in 2016, 2017, and the big run started. Weekends get to get out of the market first. So as you can see back here, guys, 2016, 2017, we were in that falling wedge. Now this is the altcoin market cap. Okay, so this is the altcoins excluding Bitcoin. We're in that falling wedge pattern here. When we broke out of it, this is a bullish signal. When we went out of it, look how high the altcoins flew. They just went nuts. And we're close to that, guys. We are close to it. And we're going to look at the Bitcoin dominance as well. I'm going to show you something else that ties into this, okay? So remember this. How big the teller will go this bull run conservatively? How big the teller? I don't know what you're asking me, my friend. I don't know what you're asking me. You're going to have to clarify that for me. So yes, guys, we're right here. And now here we are right here. Same thing. We're in reaccumulation, ready for this run right here. This is what we're waiting for here, guys, right? In the altcoins. And we're going to piggyback that. We're going to skip ahead and piggyback that off of, hang on, bear with me. So right here, okay? Check this out. So House of Crypto, BTC dominance right here, guys. Okay, we're coming up on the on major resistance on the Bitcoin dominance. It's forming a bearish divergence on the weekly time frame. This suggests we're very close to the top. Don't let anyone fool you. Once BTC dominance tops out, money will start to flow into altcoins. If you have cash, DCA. If not, just hodl for your dear life. Guys, we're close to an altcoin run here. I'm telling you, we've hit resistance here. We have a bearish divergence on the Bitcoin dominance. We're going to see a crash down on Bitcoin dominance soon, And those of you who have been around before in the last cycle, you know exactly what a crash in the Bitcoin dominance means. It means the alts are about to go freaking nuts. And this is on the weekly, guys. So very, very bullish stuff. So be ready, guys. Altcoin, we're going to have an altcoin run soon. Mr. Future, please tell me you got some crust yesterday. I didn't. I had to dollar cost average into some other things, man, that I was still working on, unfortunately. Great move, ISO. I did the same. I'm talking about TRB. Oh, okay, TRB. TRB. You down with TRB? Teller Tributes. Oh, yeah, Teller Tributes. Let's have a look. Rank 338, $123 million market cap. Yes. Those are some fantastic tokenomics. I'll tell you that much right now. Fantastic tokenomics. All-time high 3 months ago, 593. Wow, it's down big, eh? Holy smokes. 593 it was at. Wow. What do they do? Decentralized Oracle. Oh yeah, we've looked at this. Yeah, I think I gave this to the members a couple of months ago. Said we need to get in on this, right? Where was I? Here I am. Yeah, going to be a good play, man. Going to be a good play. I don't know conservatively. I have no idea where it's going to go in terms of a price prediction. I mean, I know it's a good play. I know it's got some good listings. I need to do a deeper dive to give you a price prediction. I would just be spitting a number out of my arse if I gave you a number on this. I need to look into it further, but the tokenomics are fantastic. The market cap is reasonable. Yeah, so I think it's going to be a great play. Oracles, there's not many good oracles, guys. So, you know, you've got basically the household names. You've got Chainlink and you've got Pith. So if you can find another one that'll do decent, you know, me personally, I would buy Pith. And that's just me. I think Pith's going to do fantastic, but that's where I'm at with it. What else? Would you say Bitcoin will drop further? I would say that it's possible for Bitcoin to drop further. What I also would say is that there's a lot of potential for a very green week next week, considering, right? I'm going to show you something else as well here, okay? So bear with me on this. I'm going to show you a couple reasons why next week potentially could be a big week, okay? Potentially. So bear with me on this. I'm not saying it's going to be. I'm saying there are some metrics lining up to conspire to have a very nice week next week if things come together. So let's see why I'm saying that. Well, first of all, we have the spot Bitcoin ETFs being announced tomorrow in Hong Kong for Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? That's gonna pump the markets, I would think. And guys, I got into this the other day in a video. Listen, when these other ETFs are approved and start kicking in, it's going to create FOMO in these other hedge funds like BlackRock, Fidelity, because listen, we have a supply issue on reserves for Bitcoin. The hedge funds have already started contacting the miners directly to try to purchase Bitcoin because the amount of Bitcoin in reserves on exchanges is running out, right? So with that happening, guys, it's going to start to become a bit of a FOMO panic here where all these big institutions are going to want to buy up the available Bitcoin because there's not a whole bunch left, right? So that's going to impact Hong Kong. Announcing their spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs is going to impact the price bigger than you think because it's going to start to become a competition over who can scoop up the most. And right here, guys, on the DXY, we have a double top, right? Which is a very, very bearish thing. Now, if you don't know, the DXY is the dollar, right? When the dollar pumps, risk on assets will pump, or sorry, when the DXY and the dollar pump, risk on assets dump, and vice versa. So this is a bearish pattern, this double top we have right here, okay? So if you see over here, we topped again, double top, which means next week we could see the DXY crash. And if we do, Bitcoin and risk on assets are going to pump. Okay, this is more potential. This is not guaranteed. This is the potential. This is a bearish signal, is what I'm showing you right now. Okay, so you combine that with the Hong Kong ETFs, right? And what you could have a very, very bullish start to the week. So, and then you combine that with the fact that from what I'm understanding today, that there are peace talks in the Middle East happening. So that's bullish as well. Markets should recover nicely with all of these things conspiring together to come to all happen at once. So we could have a potentially green week next week. Hopefully, knock on wood, right? Hey, Jasmy family, what are your predictions for the market for the upcoming week, Rob? What are we going to see? Well, I just told you. I just finished telling you. It's funny you asked that, and I read it as soon as I finished explaining it. Catchill's thinking of selling Sol for Jasmy. Thoughts? I don't think it's a terrible idea, to be honest with you. I mean, Solana is still going to have a good bull run, but I think that the bulk of Solana's run has already happened. It will still make profits for people, but I don't think, a lot of people like Solana's going to reach $1,000 and all that stuff. I don't think so. I think it's had a pretty good run, and I think rolling profits from Solana at this point into some other projects is not a terrible idea, right? 3K Sports Unlimited, what's up, man? What is going on? ISO, ROI. Yes, return on investment is what you want to focus on. Absolutely. Guys, if you're new, make sure you're smashing that subscribe button. Hook us up, right? Do us a favor. Help us grow. Would be greatly, greatly appreciated. Yeah, what else do we got going on here? Let's see what else was happening in the market. So we covered that. We covered the altcoin season about to kick off. We covered the DXY potentially dumping here. We got the stock market could crash this week due to Iran attacks. Yeah, that's old news. In my opinion, like I said, I'm reading peace talks in the Middle East right now. So that's very, very bullish in my opinion. KJ, check it out, man. KJ says the Web3 AI Summit hosted by Teams has concluded after 2 days. Big thank you to everyone who visited our booth. We're thrilled that Junction reached so many people. We'll prioritize sharing event highlights with our community. Join us. So they're going to be sharing the highlights from the event. Very, very bullish, very transparent. Check out their booth. Check out the event here. I guess that's where they do the red carpet or whatever. But very, very cool. Very cool to see the content coming out. I like that they're sharing with the community, right? Keeping us connected. This is, by the way, the third Web3 event that Hara and Junction has been at in the last month. And Hara has been a speaker at all 3 of them, and Junction has been a sponsor of all 3 of them. Very, very bullish, guys. It's good to see the team out there putting in the work, right? Gotcha. Some YouTubers are talking about the end of a mini cycle in the bull run, mentioning the end of meme coin cycles. Of course, some will still perform. What are your thoughts on this? I think it's a mixed bag right now of content creators. Some are calling for doom and gloom. Some are calling for sideways action. Some are calling for potential next week. Like I told you guys, I like to tell you guys all possibilities that I can conceive. Like I said, I just showed you guys why there's potential for next week to be very, very green. That being said, the other side of that is that for all we know, Grayscale is going to dump another $300 million worth of BTC on the market tomorrow morning and crash the market even further, right? We don't know that they won't do that tomorrow, right? So there's potential on both sides of it, right? All we can do, like I said, it's a moving target on a daily basis. People always ask me, especially newer people to crypto, they ask me, hey man, what's going to happen in this cycle, right? There is no broad one stroke answer that's going to show you, or it's going to tell you everything that's going to happen. This is a day by day thing. You have to constantly be evaluating the market, be evaluating the narratives, keeping your eyes on the news. Being in crypto is a full-time job, guys. It's full-time. You have to be on top of everything. That's why I do this. I do this for you guys so that you guys don't have to do it full time, right? So it's a moving target. The point is that crypto is a moving target. On a daily basis, we have to reassess and readjust our plans accordingly based on the news, the narratives, and the events that are taking place, right? Thanks. My thoughts too. Appreciate the response. No problem, man. Thoughts on Book of Memes? I think Book of Memes will do very well. I think it'll perform similar to how Shiba Inu performed in the last bull run. It'll have a decent run. Just like all the other alts, it'll be one of the top performing meme coins in the altcoin season, in the blow off top. Book of Memes will have its day. I wouldn't recommend going all in on it, but it doesn't hurt to have a little bag of it though. What do you think about the token STRX, one of maybe 5 retail tokens? Let's have a look. STRX. Storex, okay. Oof. That don't look so great. that don't look amazing to me. I'm going to be honest with you, man. It's down 100%. I don't feel great about it, my friend. I'm going to be honest with you. Maybe put $10 into it and see what happens. Maybe that $10 will turn into a few. I don't know. Maybe I'm on the wrong. This is the only StoreX that was on here. Let me check CoinMarketCap. Maybe there's a different one. No, there's not one on there at all. No, I don't feel really not good. really not good. Haas, plus we have the halving this week. Yes, absolutely. Oh man, good times, guys. Good times. What else do we got going on? We had a good members only live stream this morning too, guys. If you want to check that out, click the link in the chat. Become a member of the channel. You don't want to miss out. We dropped 2 micro cap gems, 2 small cap gems in the members only live stream today, and very bullish on the second one. I'm bullish on both, but I'm extra bullish on the second one. If you want to know what that is, click the link in the chat. Become a member. That's the worst chart I've ever seen. That's funny. Just zoom out, bro. That's the daily. What's the there? You know what? I can't even make fun of this because it's like it looks like look at that, right? And then look at that, right? That's JASMY. It's almost identical to JASMY, so I can't even talk shit, right? I can't talk no shit. Oh man. We'll go back over here. Let's check out the maybe it looks a little better on different different charts. I'm trying to work with you here, man. I'm trying to work with you. Yeah, I don't know, man. That's not great. Thoughts on Brett? Like the Hitman Heart? $500 million already. I've seen this one kind of floating around. Market tokenomics are not that bad. It's on base. It hasn't really had a parabolic run yet, has it? Oh yeah, a little bit. It's up 7,400% in the last 2 months. What do we got for listings? BitGet, Bitmart, Gate.io. It's got some. Yeah, I mean, listen, these kind of plays, guys, these kind of meme coins right here where they haven't really had too crazy of a run yet. You still have a lot of run left in it. It doesn't hurt to throw $100 into it or something. Just don't go nuts, right? Just be careful with meme coins because you never know which ones are rug pulls and which ones aren't, right, guys? So just, here and there, it doesn't hurt to throw $100 into one of them and see what happens, right? You never know. Galaxy, do you think Milady has potential? Yes, I do. And the reason I say so is because I get asked about it quite often. So it's got a very strong community behind it. And that is what's important when it comes to these meme coins. So yes, I think we'll have a potentially decent run. Again, just don't go nuts with meme coins. Don't put like, 50% of your portfolio in it or anything like that. Be careful out there. I keep missing the private chats. Well, I mean, as long as you can catch the replays, my friend, then you're good, right? Any news on U.S. interest rates? Not yet, no. From what it's looking like, honestly, they're talking about pushing the first rate cut back to September right now, at the very, very earliest. So we'll have to reassess around August. I'm sure we'll know more around August whether they're going to cut in September. If not, then we're looking at like December, possibly. And if not then obviously not at all this year, right? So, yeah, they've pushed it back potentially to September at this point in time. So we'll have to kind of stay on that moving target as well and see what kind of happens. There's a lot of scammers in the comments lately, eh? Holy smokes, man. A lot of scammers. Do you have a price prediction on XCN? I could see XCN going as high as somewhere between 40 to 50 cents. I'll be exiting around 30 cents probably. But I could see it going around there. Yeah, 30, 40 cents is reasonable, right? I like to be conservative though, guys, right? I know a lot of people just throw out a dollar randomly and say $1, right? I could see it going to 40 to 50 cents. It potentially could go there. Maybe higher, maybe 60 cents, but I'll be dollar cost averaging out somewhere around that 25 to 30 cent level though. I like to front run everybody and exit the market sooner. That way I know for sure I got my goals already set. I reach my goals, I get out, I make my money, and then I rinse and repeat the whole cycle, baby, right? That's how we do. That's how we do. Thomas, what's up, man? What's up? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. What else do we got going on? Steph is crypto. My main man says, when unsure, step back and observe the bigger picture. On the weekly time frame, JASMY is now converting the golden pocket, the 618 Fibonacci, into new support. You absolutely love to see that, guys. Absolutely. Aman, what's up, man? Good to see you. Welcome in. Welcome, welcome. Love seeing all the familiar faces, guys. I absolutely love it. Check this out. Got a little clip for you guys, all right? Let me know if you guys can hear this okay. Very, very bullish on the Hong Kong listings, guys. We talked about it a little bit. Let's have a listen. Listen up to this.
Get into it today, but what is causing and could cause some big movements is this right here. Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs could launch in Hong Kong before the halving. This, of course, maybe could be going live as early as Monday, the 15th. So some very interesting points here, I think. Anticipated approvals by the SFC are in line with Hong Kong's efforts to position itself as a hub for digital assets, ETFs. They're going to plan to replicate the booming success witnessed here in the U.S. So if you look at BlackRock, think of this as who's the BlackRock of Hong Kong. We'll show that in a second. Other points, of course, are the rollout of these ETFs is expected to attract new investment to the broader Asian region. The big news here is it's both Bitcoin and Ethereum. So that, I think, is going to set the tone going forward for sure. And the other thing that could be, because there are some sources out there that are claiming we could see about a $25 billion unlock jumping into these. So there could be some significant movement both on Bitcoin and ETF in the coming days. And if you look at hash.
Very, very bullish, guys. I've been telling you guys who have been here, I've been telling you guys about this Hong Kong ETFs and the money that could be coming in for like 2 weeks. It's awesome that we're starting to see the bigger content creators start to cover it finally. But I've been preparing you guys for this for like 2 weeks now, right? You guys are already way ahead of schedule with this stuff. You'll love to see that, guys. Galaxy Shooter, is Luna Classic dead in your opinion? It doesn't seem to be going anywhere. My opinion, now listen, you guys know me. I don't FUD projects, okay? Never, ever FUD projects. Terra Luna, I understand that Terra Luna has a wonderfully large community behind it. I see a lot of, content creators talk about it all the time. I know very, very little about what they're actually doing right now as a project. I lost money when it was just Terra Luna. And for me personally, I would never put more money into a project that already cost me thousands of dollars, right? That's just my mindset on it. I think so I don't know anything about what the team is doing or anything like that. I do know, however, that it has a very strong community. And I do think that because it has a very strong community, the project will still have at least some sort of positive performance in the bull run. So no, I do not think that the project is dead. It's dead to me, as in I will never buy any of it again. But I think it will have some measure of success in the bull run, just based on the community. We see with meme coins how big a community can be when it comes to a crypto project. So, Matt, what's up, man? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. Emmanuel, what's up, man? Good to see you. I haven't seen you in a bit. Any more news on the bullish info you gave us on the PDL as it relates to Jiangxia being active? Right now, from my understanding, is the PDL is active, but only on Apple, not on Android yet, right? So that is my current understanding of it. But I am staying on top of it, obviously, as you guys know. I will continue to bring you the latest and greatest on it. So right now it's just Apple. So we're waiting for the Android version. Sina, what's up, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. Micro dips just happened. Just hopped on. What did I miss? You missed everything, brother. Everything. Talk about Brett. I just talked about Brett a few minutes ago, my friend. I think it'll be a decent meme coin project. It should do okay. Just don't go nuts. Don't go nuts on meme coins. That's all, right? What do you think about DCI, decentralized cloud? Let me see. Let's see, my friend. Let's have a little looky-loo at it. You know what? Let's go over to CoinMarketCap because it's not giving me the market cap. So we have a $11 million market cap, very, very bullish. A self-reported 100% of the supply in circulation. We have a 10 million max supply. What do they do? Very, very new project. All-time high was 6 days ago. They're on Ethereum, obviously. Listings only on MetaMask, Uniswap. Obviously, unleash the power of decentralization, secure, scalable, cost-effective cloud solutions. Take control of your cloud infrastructure now. DCI Cloud Compute. DCI offers a comprehensive suite of cloud solutions to perfectly match your needs. Whether you prioritize affordability, ease of use, raw power, yeah. I mean, it seems like a very good play to me. It seems like a good call, man. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of a deeper dive into this one because it does have my interest there, Richie Rich. But I am interested in this project. The tokenomics are good. The tokenomics are good. The market cap is very, very low right now. A lot of catalysts in terms of listings. Yeah, I like it, man. Good call, brother. Good call on that one. You love to see it. I'm going to do a deeper dive into it though, so I'll keep you posted on that. What else do we got? Do you mind if I ask about a project you mentioned in members' content, or do you prefer I ask? Yeah, I prefer that you ask me, either DM me privately about it, or ask me in a members only stream about it, because we do those obviously privately for members only, right? So I mean, you get it. So ask me privately about it, guys. If you want to get in on these projects we look at in the members only, the micro caps and stuff, become a member of the channel. Click the link in the chat, guys, or in the pinned comments to become a member. You don't want to miss that. It's only $4, guys. So how high, in your opinion, will STXS go conservatively? Stacks? Are you talking about stack? What are you talking about? STX, STA. Sorry, I missed the A. I got nothing popping up here, man. STAXS. I'll check over on CoinMarketCap. All I have is a liquidity pool here over on CoinMarketCap. I have no idea, my friend. No idea. Cena, thanks a lot, bro. I just bought some. Do you think it's going to go down? I mean, the whole market. I just talked about a little bit earlier. If you want to rewind, I just talked about rewind. If you want to watch the playback, I talked about the potential catalyst that could conspire to have a very green week next week, right? It's very, very possible, right? We have the Hong Kong news on Monday for the spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. We have a, I'll show you again here. We have a bearish signal on the DXY, which is the dollar. We have a double top. So if this breaks down tomorrow, starting next week on the daily, that's going to cause risk on assets like crypto to start to pump. So we do have a couple of potential catalysts for the market to be green starting tomorrow. It's not a guarantee. We don't know. Grayscale is not going to dump another $300 million on the market tomorrow either, right? We can't control knowing any of that. But there's potential for a green week starting tomorrow. Hey, Rob, what do you think about the SEC allowing people to hold their own securities on their ledgers and keeping the stock market open for trade 24/7? I think it's like, I honestly think that's like, should have happened a long time ago. You know, like they're way behind the times. It's just the stock market trying to catch up to the digital asset space, I suppose, right? Check this out, guys. Like I was saying, right? Breaking first Hong Kong and Ethereum ETFs are launching in Hong Kong as early as tomorrow. Bitcoin is only down 8K from its previous all-time high, so it's holding very strong. Don't underestimate the power of ETFs. This is giga bullish. Exactly, guys. This is going to be big. That's why I said there's potential to be a green week next week, man. Is XCN a good bet? How high can it hit by the end of the year? I think I touched on that already, didn't I? So I can see it going as high as about 40 to 50 cents, but I'll be exiting around 30 cents. To be honest with you, start taking my profits around there. I mean, listen, I know a lot of people would like to just say again, oh, it's going to $1, right? It would be nice, but I mean, I try to be conservative, guys. So maybe, like I said, maybe 40, 50 cents, right? So around 25, 30 cents, I'll be starting to take my profits. Matt, got it. No problem, man. STX. Okay, STX. So yeah, we're talking some stacks, right? We're talking some stacks, man. Stacks is going to do amazing if you want my honest opinion. Which one are we talking about here? We're talking stacks. Bitcoin's Bitcoin's like L2 here, right? So listen, stacks is going to do amazing because Bitcoin's going to do amazing, right? The correlation between Bitcoin and stacks is obvious, right? It's basically a layer 2 on BNB, one of the better layer 2s on BNB. So it's going to be correlated to the price of Bitcoin, even stronger than potentially other projects. So stacks will do very, very well, in my opinion, in the bull run. Bubba Rodney, what's up, buddy? Did you ever start the lockup on JASMY? No, they have not started it as of yet, or they have not announced it as of yet, but we're definitely keeping an eye on it. What about Render and Gala? Both fantastic projects. Render's going to be probably one of the top, we'll call it top 5, right? Originally, Render was going to be one of my top 3 AI projects in the bull run. However, this new super coin that's being created by Ocean Fetch and AGIX kind of changes the game a little bit. So we'll say Render will be top 4, top 5 in terms of AI plays. It's going to be fantastic play. Gala will probably hit somewhere around 60 cents, in my opinion. I know a lot of people want it to hit $1. I know a lot of people want to get back to its all-time high, but at the end of the day, when they did their migration, a lot more tokens got put into circulation. It's going to be very, very hard for Gala to get back to 82 cents. So I think 60 cents would be a realistic price target for Gala. It'll still do good. You know, they got Gala Games, Gala Music, Gala Film, all doing good things. Gala built very well in the bear market. So I would say somewhere around 60 cents would be realistic for Gala for sure. How it's Solana can you hire tonight? I don't know what you're asking me, my friend. Please clarify your question. I'll be happy to answer it for you. Is it a good time to buy Ton or just wait? What's Ton doing right now? It's probably recovering with everything else, right? Yeah, it's up 16%. I mean, Ton Coin's a good project, right? I mean, so it's had a good day, week, 2 weeks, month. Like, I don't know. If you really want to get into Ton Coin, what I would say is maybe just dollar cost average your way in, right? Don't ape in or anything like that. It's a good project. Just a little bit at a time, you know. Your thoughts on ICP? Funny you should ask that, Andrew, because tomorrow morning I've already recorded and scheduled an ICP price prediction video. It's going to be released tomorrow at 9 a.m. Central. So I'm going to keep you in suspense on that one, brother. You're going to have to watch my ICP price prediction video tomorrow morning for that. Gala above 80 cents again. I don't know, man. Maybe. I mean, it's not impossible, but I mean, there's a lot of dilution in the bear market. It's gonna be harder to get there. Anton, what's up, man? Hello, everyone. Ticker XCN for yes, it is. Yes, it is. Craig, what's up, buddy? Have any deeper thoughts on how high Gora can go? Maybe this bull run or the next. Let's have a look. How's it doing anyway? How's Gora doing? I love me some Gora. Ooh, so that's up 16%. Looking good. Yeah, this one's going to be great. Yeah, this is the one. We called this one a couple of weeks ago on the member side, guys. I think Gora, I mean, like, market cap's still incredibly low. Tokenomics are not terrible. All-time high was 68 cents 9 months ago, yeah. A lot of catalysts coming for it still. I mean, honestly, I think Gora can go, you know, let's say $7 conservatively. I think we could get up that high, to be honest with you. Maybe even $7-8, somewhere around there. Solana can go to all-time high. What is the all-time high on Solana right now? I think Solana, did it just set a new all-time high, or is close to it, or yeah, 259. It can yes, it can. I don't think it's going to go too much higher than that, though. Well, I don't know. I shouldn't say. I mean, Solana could be. I mean, realistically speaking, Solana could go as high as $500-600. To be honest with you, in my opinion, you got other people calling for $1,000 Solana and stuff like that. I think $500-600 would be where it would completely max out in a parabolic altcoin season, in my opinion. Thank you, Rob. Happy birthday to your son. Thank you, guys. His birthday is actually today. We had his party yesterday because it was Saturday. So yeah, he's 4 today. 4 years ago today, I was sitting holding him in a hospital. He was born. XANA looks very nice. Oh, that's not it. XANA. Oh, that's over on base, right? Let me check. Let me check CoinMarketCap. Yeah, all I have is liquidity pairs right now. I have no idea. Sorry, man. Sorry, man. What else is going on out there? Oh, yes. A little more horror news, right? So KJ says, KJ News anyway. I've been a part of the Jasmy and Janction team since January, and this is the first time KJ has participated in the event. My goal is to increase the number of Telegram users to 10,000 by the end of this month. Please join the Telegram, guys. The official Telegram of Janction, definitely worth checking out. Here they are at the Teams Web3 event where Haro was a speaker yesterday. Very, very bullish, man. Very, very bullish. You love to see it. As always, guys, if you're new, whack, smash the subscribe button, hook a brother up, right? And yeah, do not miss that opportunity to help the channel grow. What else do we got going on? I covered this last night, but we're going to look at it again because I want to. So there. So we got Jasmy now pay with Jasmy coin on travel.com, right? So basically, you can book your flights, pay for your accommodations, your hotel, everything. You can now pay using Jasmy coin, guys. Very, very bullish stuff. You love to see it. This is fantastic. More utility for the coin, more utility for the project. Very, very bigly, guys, over on travel.com. Epic. Absolutely epic. All right, so let's check this out, guys. So Bitcoin dip causes liquidations of $256 million worth of long positions. That's why we had such an epic crash. The leading cryptocurrency Bitcoin has experienced a price drop of 7% as a result of this drop. Traders with long positions have lost over $256 million. Despite the losses, analysts believe there is nothing to be afraid of amid the current tension in the Middle East. Equally, analysts have noted that this is a normal drop for Bitcoin. Reacting to the recent news, Benjamin Cowen said on X that this drop is normal. He added that there have been several dips of about 20 to 22% in this cycle in the past. So as he says here, BTC is down 16% from the highs. So far, this is a normal drop. In fact, we have had several 20 to 22% drops this cycle, but this time could develop into something more. MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor also talked about the development. He noted that the chaos is good for the performance of BTC. However, crypto trader Rect Capital opined that BTC will likely resume its uptrend soon, while noting that it has experienced a short-term drop. Bitcoin will retrace deep enough to convince you that the bull market is over, Rect said on X. Bitcoin experienced a crash to trade at $60,919 before coming back to find support around the 62K mark, and now we are up at 63.5. According to CoinMarketCap's data, BTC is presently trading at 63.8, close enough. The recent price drop with implications as over 319 million in leveraged positions have been liquidated in the last 24 hours, according to CoinGlass. The liquidations involved 62.5 million in short positions and about 256 million in long positions. With BTC still experiencing volatility, traders are anticipating the worst. If Bitcoin returns to its previous price of 67K, over 1 billion in shorts will face liquidations. The issue is not only affecting traders in the Bitcoin market, with the entire market registering a loss of 959 million in liquidations, about 253,554 traders affected. So basically, guys, listen, that could be very bullish for us spot traders, right? If we see Bitcoin run back up to 67, we could see another $1 billion in shorts being liquidated. And when we get a short squeeze, what happens to the price of Bitcoin? Boom, it rides up even further, right? So very, very bullish, guys, very bullish. So you add that on top of the bullish potentials factors that I already laid out for you, and yeah, we could see a very, very juicy week next week. So we'll hope for the best, but be prepared for the worst, right? And we will have dry powder on the side to scoop it up if it goes the other way. Matt, that is an awesome use case. Absolutely, brother. Absolutely. It's a good time to buy or just hold what we have. It's a great time to dollar cost average, in my opinion. Sarah, what do you think about eCash? eCash. Let's have a look at eCash. How's it doing right now, anyway? How is it doing? Just over $1 billion market cap. Tokenomics are good. Most of the supplies in circulation already. What do we got? Yeah, solid layer 1, proof of work. All-time high 2 years ago in the bull run. A lot of good listings. Revolutionary new money powered by Avalanche Consensus. I think I looked at this a couple of weeks ago. This one's it's not bad. It's not a terrible play in my opinion. It's a little high up there. It's in the top 100, obviously ranked 87th right now. Market cap's a little high for my liking, but it will do good in the bull run in my opinion. Craig, that's awesome. Thank you, sir. No problem, buddy. No problem. For about $100, what should we buy right now? My friend, I cannot tell you what to buy with your money. All I can do is tell you good opportunities. It's up to you what you decide to purchase with your money. That being said, if I personally had $100 to drop into something right now, I would put it into something I already have a bag of. I wouldn't try to start a fresh bag with only $100. I would try to top up a bag I already have. So I would probably put that in either SwiftCoin or XCN. One of those two projects would probably be where I would drop that. I have Render, Gala, Jasmy, Phantom, and Cake. Those are good projects. I mean, if it was me, listen, I don't know the size of those bags, but Render wouldn't be a bad idea to just throw it into Render, right? It wouldn't be a terrible idea. So, guys, we only need 11 subs to reach 4,400 subs. So smash that subscribe button, push us up. Let's get that goal today, guys. Let's get that goal today. How many people we got watching over on X? Oh, quite a few. Guys, if you're watching on X, make sure you're smashing that follow button, right? Help us out, help us grow, would be great. So for the most part, guys, that is the bullish news I have for you this afternoon, sorry. I will be back this evening. Guys, today in about 2 hours, guys, we're going to do the weekly close, and we have the daily close today too. So you don't want to miss those. We're going to be streaming them live in a couple of hours, so make sure you guys are here for that. Very, very important closes, those two, right? So it'll help us figure out where we're going to go next week and tomorrow and so on and so forth. So very big, important closes. Thanks, brother. You helped a lot. Hey, that's why I'm here, man. All I ask in return is that you click the subscribe button and the like button at your leisure. Much, much appreciated. Sarah, thank you. Sarah, no problem. It's been a pleasure, my friend. So yeah, guys, I will see you guys in a couple of hours. I will be back. Thank you for stopping by. Thanks for being here. Smash the like, smash the subscribe button, guys. Click the link in the pinned comments or the join button down below. Become a member. You definitely want to watch the live stream we did, the members only live stream earlier today. You don't want to miss that. So check that out. Click the join button for that. Kevin, thanks, Rob. No problem, brother. Who has 2 thumbs and brings the alpha? This guy. Well done, brother. Well done. All right, guys. I'll see you this evening for the weekly and the daily closes, and we'll see what happens from there, man. Have a good one, guys.